Metal turning machine tool in which to work while revolving on a horizontal axis is acted upon by a cutting tool which is made to move slowly in a direction more or less parallel to the axis of the work or in the direction at right angles to the axis of the work. Drill. Machine tool used mainly for producing holes in metal. In this machine, the work is securely held while a revolving cutting tool is fed into it. Planer. Machine tool used in the production of flat surfaces on pieces too large or too heavy or cannot be held in a shaper. The table on which the work is securely fastened has a reciprocating motion. Grinding machine. A machine tool in which a abrasive wheel is used as a cutting tool to obtain a very high degree of accuracy and a smooth finish on metal parts, including soft and hardened steel. Vertical boring mill. A machine tool, a machine purposely designed for finishing holes. The work table revolves on a vertical axis and the cutting tool is arranged above the table and may be fed laterally or up or down in any position. Horizontal boring mill. A machine for finishing holes where the cutting tool revolves on a horizontal axis. The spindle which carries the cutting tool may be fed longitudinally through the spindle head, and in the more recent designs, the spindle head may be fed vertically. Universal milling machine. A milling machine designed and constructed that the table may be swiveled to a considerable angle in a horizontal plane to permit the milling or of spiral grooves, such as are cut in twist drills, spiral mills, etc. The work table may be moved longitudinally by hand or automatically in either direction called the longitudinal feed or table feed. Metal cutting bandsaws. A machine tool designed to cut everything all the time because it employs an endless bandwidth of sharp teeth moving in one direction. There is no backstroke. It cuts direct to layout lines, can saw, file, and polish work to completion using the proper and right band tool. Special tools and machinery in a machine shop of a manufacturing plant. Broaching machine. There are two board classes of broaching machines available for performing almost any variety of broaching operations, the vertical and the horizontal, either of which may have one or more ramps. Drives are either hydraulic or mechanically operated. Mechanical presses are classified based on the construction of the frame, the mechanism for providing motion to the ram, and whether it is provided with auxiliaries required by an automatic press. Hydraulic presses. The available operating stroke of hydraulic presses is substantially longer than the corresponding size of mechanical press. The economical applications of hydraulic presses are used successfully on many competitive high-production deep drawing jobs. They have also found extensive use in the aircraft industry in connection with rubber dies. Guarding of point of operation in turning, drilling, and grinding operations. So the suitable guards for turning machines are headstock guard, chuck guard, countersunk screw, enclosure guard, portable perspex screen guard, use chip breaker tool to eliminate long turnings, foot pedal brake with triple switch, pneumatic chuck with feeding tools for small jobs and safety hook.